acknowledge the situation. See, it's now we have a dog. We don't have a Boston Terrier, we just have a dog. Okay? Now I'm going to remove it from the couch. Clean the couch. Obviously, she doesn't know how to respect authority. What she has